Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how you can send money from member to member in Sofi Bank, so let's get started. First, open the Sofi app on your phone, and then tap on the Transfers option. A pop-up menu will appear, and from here you will see three choices: bank transfer, send money to a friend, and set up direct deposit. Select Send Money to a Friend to continue. Next, a new page will open where you need to enter the name of the recipient. You can type in the name of your friend or family member, and then once you've entered the name, another page will appear asking you to type the amount of money you wish to send. You can send as little as $1. After you've entered the amount, tap on Next at the bottom of the screen. You will now see an overview showing the total amount you are sending and the recipient's name. Carefully review this information, and then click on the final button labeled Pay. After that, the money will be successfully sent to your friend or family member through the Sofi app. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.